Adding responses to your notifications allows your recipients to reply accurately and take action in one simple step. Responses can be customized for different device types, making it easy for recipients to respond regardless of how they were notified. In this video, let's take a look at some sample responses and learn how they work and how you can customize them to fit your needs. This example send alert form lets users respond with one of three options: acknowledge, which will end the alert; escalate, which will immediately notify the next person in the notification chain; or help, which will also escalate the notification, but indicate that assistance is needed. We can customize the text and the voice prompts that the user will be presented with on different devices by changing the text in each of the boxes. Response is the text that will appear on the button displayed to the user in the email or push notification. As a text message, this response will be assigned a number that the user can respond with to select this response. Email description adds a description under the response button. You can use this to clarify the action that this response will have. Voice prompt responses will be read to the user using text-to-speech, followed by a number to allow users to select that response. But you can click on the gear icon to record your own message, or select from a pre-existing recording if you have one available. If you want to change the number assigned to a response, click on the number at the end and change it to a new touch tone number. Options allows you to customize the action taken when a user selects this response. Click the Action dropdown and select what effect this response will have on the alert. You can mouse over an action for a detailed description. Contribution has no effect on the alert, but rather determines how the response will be recorded for reporting and evaluation purposes. Adding a URL redirect will send the user to a defined URL when they select this response from a compatible device. You can use this option to direct users to the next step in an incident management toolchain, such as a chat room or a service desk dashboard. You can configure the responses to allow users to comment when they respond to notifications from their email or the xMatters inbox. This ability lets users provide additional details or context with their response. You can enable comments from individual responses in the Options menu, or for all responses from the bottom of the response list. The API button allows you to retrieve the unique identifier for the response option, which is used to identify that response when using the xMatters REST API. This is used in integrations and can potentially trigger actions or record data in external systems. Click Create Response to add a new response and use the small X beside an existing response to delete it. When you're done creating responses, you can use the Preview button to see how your response options will look in an email, SMS, or on the xMatters mobile app. Then, use the Save Changes button to save your responses. To try messaging in xMatters yourself, sign up for free at xmatters.com/free. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.